Why should we nap? Because it's good for us, especially if you haven't slept well. Naps between 1 and 4 p.m. is the ideal time, around 20 to 30 minutes. Not longer, because you'll go into deep sleep and then you'll feel groggy upon waking. Naps are good for us, especially after learning something, such as a new skill, language, or studying. The best performers get the most sleep, 8 hours and 36 minutes on average in any given 24-hour period. On average, they also take a 30-minute nap every day. We're the only animal that tries to get all of its sleep in one cycle. Every other animal on the planet is multiphasic, meaning they have multiple phases of sleep. Humans used to be multiphasic as well. It's only relatively recently that we eliminated the afternoon nap from our normal everyday lives. Sarah Mednick, a leading sleep and nap researcher, says in her book, Take a Nap, Change Your Life, naps are written in our DNA. In ancient Rome, they had a precise time when they took a nap. It was their 6th hour, around noon for us, and they called it sexta. Sexta is the origin of our modern siesta. Sarah also states, learning after a nap is equal to learning after a full night of sleep. Test scores of non-nappers deteriorated across the day. The next time you're feeling a little drowsy around midday and deciding between taking a nap or heading to the closest Starbucks or getting an energy drink, the caffeine in the coffee and the energy drink temporarily blocks the melatonin receptors in the brain that regulate sleep drive. You'll be much better taking a nap, as it will help your body far more than blocking the receptors. However, if you struggle to get to sleep at night, avoid naps after 2 p.m. because you reduce your amount of adenosine and sleep pressure falls, and you need those to be high to get a good sleep at night. Now, if you want to create a new habit of napping, try this action. After I decide to take a nap, I will set an alarm so I don't sleep for more than 30 minutes.